Birds, Part 1, Parts that make them fly. It was a hot summer day. A thirsty pigeon came near Joe's bedroom window. Joe placed a bowl of water on the window. The pigeon drank from the bowl. Soon, Joe and the pigeon became good friends. Joe named the pigeon Daffy.
Hello, Daffy. Good to meet you. I was always fascinated seeing you fly in the air.
Hello, Joe. We are the only creatures that can fly high in the air. This makes us different from other animals. We have a beak, head, tail, wings, and feet.
I want to know how you fly in the air.
Let me explain to you about the features that help us to fly. A bird-shaped body that helps us to move quickly through the air. Thin and hollow bones filled with air makes our body lighter and easy to fly. Body covering feathers are attached to the wings that help us in the movement of air. Feathers make our body lighter that helps us in flight. Tail helps in changing direction while flying. Very interesting. Wow! Tell about your wings. Our wings help us in flying. We have two movements during flying. When our wings move in upward direction, that movement is called upstroke. We open our wings wide during this movement. When our wings move in a downward direction, it is called a downstroke. Our wings are closed during this movement.
Aren't you tired of flying continuously?
Yes, we do. We build our homes on trees to take rest and to protect ourselves. Different birds build different types of nests in different places. Eagles make its nest on the top of the tree. A tailor bird stitches leaves on its own to make a nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in the bark of the tree. A weaver bird weaves its nest by using leaves and twigs. It has an entrance at the bottom of the nest. Penguins and ostriches have their nest on the ground.
Oh, thank you, Daffy. My mom is calling and we'll catch you later.
Okay, Joe. Bye.
Let us recall. Birds are the only animals that fly in the air. They have 3 different types of feathers: down feather, body feathers, and flight feathers. They have a boat-shaped body that helps them to fly in the air. They build their homes on trees. Different types of birds have different nests in different places.